And g'day, today we're having a look at this. It's a Hohem iSteady M6 kit, and this is the gimbal kit for the smartphone. Have a quick look around the box. A few things on the back here. So that's about it. Not a lot to look at on the actual box itself. We'll get, oh, there we go. Line that up a bit better, and we'll check out that. Okay, so first thing we have to do obviously to look at it is break the seal. So let's get into it. Okay, so we've got that bit done. Now, how do we get into the rest of it? Looks like we pop out through there, does it? Oh, there we go. Now, I bought the gimbal itself on eBay, and we'll see what's in here together. Nothing else in the box, that's empty. Bit of a plasticky sort of case on it, and okay, zipper, around she goes. Is it that way? Yep. And there we are. That's the first look at it. So we've got the all-important AI sensor. This is the little camera, so hopefully this will focus on me and I'll be able to operate the camera solely by myself and have it track me, which is what that's for. Looks like we got ourselves a little stand. Oh yeah. Bit of silica gel as always, we don't need that. And what have I got over here? Do I get to that? Okay, we've got a manual. And yeah, quite a bit. I will get some decent photos of that later. We've got whatever that is, a charging cable it says there. It's a nice little box for it. See what it looks like inside. Okay, there's a couple of different cables it looks like. Okay, USB-C, I'm assuming that's to plug into the phone that you've got and into the gimbal. And the other one here is a USB-C to a standard USB-A, so pretty straightforward. And we've got the gimbal itself. And it's already locked in position, which is good. And we'll check it out later. I'll take it obviously onto a charge first. Let's plug it in and see what happens. And as you can see, we've already got a couple of bars of charge in there, and I'll let it continue charging and we'll see how long it takes. It took just 40 minutes to bring it up to full charge. Now this is the case. I've already taken everything out of it, as you can see. Case is not the thickest, but it'll do the job. It'll protect the gimbal. It's better than nothing. And this is what actually came in the case itself. We've got the instruction manual, the gimbal, little tripod that screws in the bottom, a cable that connects your mobile phone to the gimbal itself, a little charging cable. We have the magnetic AI fill light. Now we'll screw this in just for the heck of it. Fits in. Quite a nice snug fit. Put these to the side. Not too bad. We'll get rid of this out of the way as well. Now the gimbal, I think I might have to reposition the camera, which I will do so. Now having a quick look at the gimbal itself, we've got here a USB charging port. It's also where you can take the power out direct to your mobile phone. You've got the on-off button here, 1/4-inch screw, and this is a little pin that they're putting. Now this is for future handle, I believe they've got coming out, so it'll be interesting to see if one of them fits. In the front you've got your controls, you've got your button on the front here which you press to activate the camera to start recording or take photos. Press up to zoom, press down to zoom out. You've got your mode function here, joystick toggle. On the side you've got your rotary switch on the side here. There's a little button in the middle, and there's A and B ports here. In the front you've got a trigger which you can press multiple times. You've got here which is a lock for your gimbal, so that will unlock there. The second lock, which is up in the middle here, is actually quite a solid. You hear it sort of snaps in pretty hard, so a lot of people apparently are forgetting to unsnap that. Now I've got a Samsung Galaxy S22 phone and it's got a case on it, and obviously it's best to balance it without a case, but I'm just showing you that it can be done with a case. You notice it's heavy on one side. You swing it round, you've got this little arm, lift it up, slide across till you can get it balancing. Maybe a fraction more. Yep, that'll do it. Then you simply lock it in place and just double check. Yep, nicely balanced. Now at the moment you pop on the little magnetic AI RGB capable fill light, we'll just shove it on, and actually that's not too badly balanced. That worked better than expected. Oh no, she's heavy one side. Okay, as you can see, it's definitely heavy, so all you do is slide it a fraction till you can rotate, and it stops in any position, as you can see there, and that's perfectly balanced. We'll start the thing up. You'll see the little red light come on, a couple of flashes, and that's it. And that's all there is to it to get it to balance perfectly. Very, very fast, doesn't take long at all. The manual has 8 different languages in it: English, Japanese, Korean, German, Italian, French, Spanish and Russian, and the English manual is 24 pages long. If you have any questions regarding the Hohem iSteady M6 smartphone gimbal, just drop a comment below and I'll do my very best to answer it. And hopefully, I might even get to see you on the next video. Consider subscribing if you haven't done so already. I'd appreciate that. Anyway, all the very best till next time. Take care till then. Bye for now.